All right, hello, you glorious undergraduates. This is our little tutorial on the UDL, or Universal Design for Learning module. I'm just going to walk you through how it looks and kind of how to do it. It's not really going to be a lecture that I give you, as the previous two lectures have been. It's going to be a module that you work through online, and then there's a little assignment on Brightspace to do it. So when you get ready, sorry, that's not what you need right now. This is. When you get ready to do the UDL module, you're going to go down here to where it says Lecture 4, Universal Design for Learning, and you're going to click that, which will bring you to this. And then what I need you to do is open up this link right here, which will bring you to the Iris Center website. Okay, so they've created this really cool module for you on Universal Design for Learning, and it has several parts to it. So basically what you want to do is go down here and go Begin. Right, and then it's going to walk you through a couple of different things. So there is a video to watch that is a few minutes long, which will tell you all about, the module and what you're going to do. And then, of course, if you really want the transcript because you feel like reading it is good for you, then obviously you can get the transcript here. And also, don't forget that you can absolutely close caption this should you feel like subtitles are a necessity. I often do. I usually watch things with subtitles, so I understand if that is something you want to do. Okay. Accepting some cookies and getting it out of the way. So, and you just move through the module. Move through it. It gives you some things to think about, right? And then you just move through it. Easy, 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 right? So when you're done with this, when you're finished with this, head back to Brightspace. And then head to the assignments section. And you will notice that here is a little assignment called UDL questions. So please do open that up, which will lead you. There's everybody's names. We're going to pretend I'm editing the assignment. Yours won't look like this, but because I want to show you. The questions. Then you open up this lovely document with the questions. Which is going to take me a second. Okay, so it's very hard for me to show you the questions, but when you open up the questions, it asks some things like, please describe the concept of universal design for learning. There are 3 principles you should talk about. What do people think about when they're developing goals using UDL? They give you a little an example of, here's a teacher who's thinking about teaching this. This is how they would normally do it. If they were going to teach this using the UDL stuff, what would they do instead? Yeah, it's very much, just explain to us that you understand what the principles of UDL are, and it gives you a chance to think of how you might, if you were an educator, use those principles if you were going to teach a lesson. It's like 5 questions. It's not super long, and so I think that will be pretty easy for you to do. And then you turn that in and boom, you're done. That's the whole UDL module situation, which is one of the things you're going to do for me this week. If you have any questions about that, if there's anything you need to discuss with me, then by all means, please let me know via email. If you want to talk about it with me on Zoom, we can absolutely do that. But yeah, so for week, I guess this is 3 now, you're going to do Universal Design for Learning, and then of course there will be one more lecture, which, will be in a separate video. So, hope that pretty much clears things up for you, and we will move on to what's next. Peace.